Let's begin with what none of us want: failure. The moment a case fails or begins to fail, what do you say? अरे फ्रैक्चर होगा, ये दांत तो पहले से ही खराब है. हमारी गलती नहीं हो सकती, वो दांत की गलती है. जब पोस्ट ऑप सेंसिटिविटी होती है रेस्टोरेशन के बाद, what is the first response that you get? गुनगुने पानी में नमक डाल के कुल्ले कर लेना, सेंसिटिविटी ठीक हो जाएगी. That's one category of people. Second category, Sensodyne, Sensofoam, वो लगा लो. मतलब वो दांत की ट्यूब्यूल की गलती है, जो रेस्टोरेशन मैंने करी उसमें तो वो तो गलत हो ही नहीं सकता, right? We are so used to trying to throw the blame to someone else that it's not just us as clinicians, even researchers. We were focusing upon vertical root fractures, we were focusing upon CBCTs, we were focusing upon the big things. Nobody tried to assess the true cause of failure, and nobody was ready to believe that that cause could be us. Interestingly, in 2022 April, not very far back, not even a year back, I'm sorry, just about a year back, it's 24, right? So about 2 years in April, the very interesting study came out which said, you know what, let's just go and check how much are we responsible for that failure. They realized 38% of the initial files that you put, and this study was done in Europe as well as America. There were two versions of the study. It was done in private practices and in colleges. It was done in small cities as well as large cities, which means practically everyone was covered. It was an excellent methodology to the study. 38% of the initial files that you introduce into the root canal system are laden with bacteria. You know what, we think we are doing a favor when we take a new file from the box, open it up, and we put it into the tooth. How many of us actually take it out of the box, rotary files included, first autoclave them, and then bring them back into circulation? Autoclave तो वो पहले केस के बाद होती है. वो भी एहसान करके कि अच्छा autoclave तो करना ही. पहली बारी तो नया डब्बा, नई फाइल. Right, that's all laden with bacteria. There are very few companies in the world which make pre-sterilized files. Other than that, 90% of the people all over the world, manufacturers, they will not have sterile files. By the way, डब्बे पे लिखा होता है non-sterile, autoclave before use. डब्बा तो किसी ने पढ़ा ही नहीं है. Half the rubber dam surfaces were contaminated. अब वो क्या है, साउथ एशिया में ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हमारे रबर डैम सर्फेसेस बिल्कुल क्लीन होते हैं क्योंकि वो अलमारी में पड़े होते हैं, वहां बैक्टीरिया घुस नहीं पाता, right? But when you use the rubber dam, half those surfaces are contaminated, and so on and so forth, including 30% of the gloves that you use are non-sterile. They have bacteria in them. Now think about it. You have a vital root canal. Vital root canal means there are no bacteria in the apical third. जो बैक्टीरिया हैं वो ऊपर केरीज से ऊपर वाले पार्ट में है, नीचे. yesterday we discussed what happens when caries approaches pulp. We realized that बैक्टीरिया भी ऊपर ही होता है, नीचे का पूरा पल्प is vital and healthy. और imagine no bacteria in the apical third. सबसे पहले आप एक फाइल उठाते हैं जिसमें बैक्टीरिया है, उसको आप इनोक्यूलेट करते हो apical third तक, और ऐसी कई फाइल्स जाती हैं. Every time you touch your X-ray machine, every time you touch your chair, every time you go, you are contaminating that file, everything going into the apical third, which means at the end of it, you have actually inoculated the apical third with bacteria which were never there to begin with. At vital tooth to begin to fail. So if your vital cases are coming back with pain, if your vital cases are coming back with apical pathologies 6 months down the line, something is drastically wrong in the way we practice. The fortunate part is, the apical constriction should be defined by every company separately and be told कि हमारे apex locator में, again not to break your heart, 0.0 on one apex locator may be the same as 0.5 on another, may be the same as 1.2 on another, may be the same as 1 on another. Which means मैं एक ही फाइल को एक ही दांत पे एक ही लेंथ के ऊपर रख के फ्रीज कर दूं और 3 अलग अलग एपेक्स लोकेटर्स लगाऊं, एक में 0.0 आएगा, एक में कुछ और वैल्यू आएगी. Which means you need to know in your device where is the apical constriction. आंखें खुली अभी, अब कुछ डिफरेंस सुनने को मिला. Unfortunately or fortunately, Moritas, Root ZX, Only one man does histology for endodontics, Domenico Ricucci, mentor of mine. Ricucci is the only one who has ever actually proven कि apical constriction कहाँ है, और उसके पास Morita का apex locator. So unless every company goes out and starts defining it, the only reference point we have is a Morita, and Morita is frightfully expensive. हमने तो दूसरा apex locator खरीदना है, right? Problem नहीं है, but you just need to know where. So what I just told you, I'm about to show you. On Morita, it's at the end of the blue zone. At the same point on the bond end, it's at 0.5. On the same point in a Romidam, it is 1.25. फाइल उधर ही है, फाइल लगा के उसको आपने स्टडी किया हुआ है. उसके बाद एक एपेक्स लोकेटर, फिर दूसरा और फिर तीसरा, आपने तीनों लाइन से लगाए और तीनों की वैल्यू जो है वो अलग अलग है. Which means you need to know all apex locators are good. Every apex locator manufactured in the last 5-6 years is absolutely fine. In fact, the truth is there are only 1 or 2 companies in the world. They don't want you to know. Hyundai का engine, Audi का engine, इसका Apple की screen Samsung बनाता है. आपकी इसकी Skoda का engine Audi बनाता है, और the other way around. So there are common companies which make the basic apex locator. ऊपर को modify हो जाता है. वर्ल्ड में 2 या 3 कंपनीज ही हैं जो ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करती हैं. तो बेसिकली मोस्ट ऑफ द एपेक्स लोकेटर्स हैव द सेम टेक्नोलॉजी बिहाइंड देम, राइट? व्हिच मींस यू नीड टू नो चेंज क्या होता है. द ग्रिड, द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, द स्क्रीन, राइट? दैट पार्ट चेंजेस, व्हिच मींस ऑल योर एपेक्स लोकेटर्स विल बी एक्यूरेट, दे विल ऑल वर्क, बट यू नीड टू नो कि आपके एपेक्स लोकेटर में वो कहां है. सो इफ यू यूज अ बॉन्डेंट, you have the bonded apex locator here by any chance? It's there?
Yes.
And display? Check it out. You will find the grid. It's a very stable apex locator. I have it in my practice. When the Morita is at the end of the blue zone, if you call that a gold standard, you will have the bonded at 0.5. The 0.5 is the value where you need to go. That is the simple way of determining where the apical constriction is. क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी स्टडी है, इसके हिसाब से बाकियों को कंपेयर करें. तो आपके पास जो भी एपेक्स लोकेटर है, do this comparison. I have done this for you so that you know कि इन 2 apex locators के अंदर वैल्यू यहाँ पे है. So whenever I'm using a bonded, I will take it to 0.5 and not to 0.0. Now let me answer the question. Root canal किया, pain हो गई. One of the biggest reasons for post-operative pain is you guys take your length to 0.0. 0.0 is in some cases the periodontal ligament, in some cases it's the foramen, in some cases it is beyond. Right? Which means जब apical constriction violate कर दी, post-operative pain क्यों होगा? क्योंकि periodontal ligament enjoys the immunity of the body. The entire defense inflammatory reaction of the body is available to the PDL. You go poke the PDL, it will react, and that is what manifests as post-operative pain. Right? Clear हुआ ये बात? चाहे vital है चाहे non-vital है, दोनों में होता है ना दर्द. वो इसीलिए होता है क्योंकि आप constriction क्रॉस कर चुके होते हैं. मैंने तो apex locator यूज किया था, फिर भी पेन हो गया. मनीष जी ने तो कहा था कि एपेक्स लोकेटर खरीद लो, उसके बाद ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी, दर्द नहीं होगा. लेकिन मनीष जी से किसी ने पूछा नहीं ना कि लेके कहां तक जाना है. द आंसर इज 0.5 mm ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस, राइट? एंड लाइक आई सेड, एज फार एज द एक्यूरेसी इज कंसर्न्ड, a lot of people swear by big names only. This is a real world comparison of the 2 images. जितना स्टेबल ये है और ये वीडियो है, जितना स्टेबल ये है उतना ही स्टेबल आपका ये एपेक्स लोकेटर भी है. Right? Which means if your budget is, this falls in your budget, by all means buy it, you don't have to second guess it. Right? Okay. Even if you have, just 1 second, even if you have an inbuilt apex locator and a motor, इसकी भी ग्रिड के अंदर कहां पे आपका वर्किंग कंस्ट्रिक्शन, एपिकल कंस्ट्रिक्शन है, आपको एक बार मेजर करनी पड़ेगी. राइट? अगर बॉन्डेंट है तो सेम कंपनी है, सेम एपेक्स लोकेटर है तो वैल्यू सेम होगी. किसी और कंपनी की मोटर है और किसी और कंपनी का एपेक्स लोकेटर लगा हुआ है उसमें, तो एक बार वो वेरिफिकेशन करना है. अनदर थिंग, व्हेनेवर दिस मोटर इज अ सेफ्टी डिवाइस, व्हिच मींस जब आप बीएमपी शेपिंग कर रहे हैं, दिस एपेक्स लोकेटर विल टेल यू वेयर योर फाइल इज, बट इट इज नॉट अ रिप्लेसमेंट टू द प्राइमरी स्टेप ऑफ वर्किंग लेंथ मेजरमेंट विद अ हैंड फाइल. एक बार तो हैंड फाइल से मेजर करना जरूरी है टू गेट द एग्जैक्ट लेंथ, देन दिस एक्ट्स लाइक अ सेफ्टी मैकेनिज्म. इसीलिए ये जो मोटर के अंदर इनबिल्ट एपेक्स लोकेटर होता है, इट कैन आल्सो बी यूज्ड एज अ स्टैंड अलोन एपेक्स लोकेटर. इसको पीछे वायर कनेक्ट करके, आप मैंने वीडियो दिखाई है, पीछे वायर लगी हुई है, आप पीछे वायर लगा के हैंड फाइल से जैसे नॉर्मल एपेक्स लोकेटर को यूज करते हो वैसे इसको अलग से एज एन एपेक्स लोकेटर भी यूज कर सकते हो बिना रोटरी फाइल. So it's not a replacement to that step of using a hand file to measure your working length right after your access open. Now ask me what questions you have.
Basically, when would you advise to patient and before you start the DM? Sometimes you do leave behind the part.
Yeah.
And if in my practice in old apex locator, when I go inside and I have some pulse, meaning it starts beeping before it reaches that.
No. No, नहीं हो सकते. Device गलत हो. It's a very common question that I get. Right? Then what happens? I'm not saying आपके केस में है, but most cases या तो रबर डैम नहीं होता. रबर डैम होता है तो प्री एंडो बिल्डअप नहीं होता. अगर प्री एंडो बिल्डअप है तो सारी केरीज नहीं हटी हुई होती. कहीं ना कहीं से केरीज से कंडक्शन होता है. 14 years of practice, for 13 years, yes, I maintained patency of the canal until I came in contact with Domenico Ripucci and the biological school of thought. Until I started doing vital bulb therapies and I started understanding bulb from a very biological perspective and not from the typical old version that we've already been exposed to. And also to go through it. He says the apex locator value is at 0.5, not at 0.0. Okay? Yeah. Somebody had a question here. Yeah.
I mean, do you need to calibrate the apex?
No, you don't. I don't know where that comes from. Probably it came from the very older devices 10-15 years ago, when you had to keep recalibrating those devices again and again. All modern apex locators are pre-calibrated. They don't shift when you don't use them for a day or two. You have to do nothing in terms of calibration. साल में एक बार ये चेक कर लो कि डिवाइस ठीक है कि नहीं है. उसके साथ एक वो नॉब आती है, उसको आप उसमें इंसर्ट कर दो. अगर वो पर्टिकुलर रीडिंग आ जाती है मतलब डिवाइस ठीक है, अगर वो रीडिंग नहीं आती है मतलब डिवाइस खराब हो गया. उतना चेक करना होता है साल में एक बार. कोई हर केस से पहले कोई कैलिब्रेट करने की रिक्वायरमेंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल.
So to complete the circuit, do we have to go below the apex?
No. Conduction will happen through the PDL, through the bone, through the lid clip, back into the machine. You should really come for that workshop that I do. We have all these discussions that we do there. Very, very, very valid questions, very legitimate questions. Once again, it boils down to Ricucci versus rest of the world. Yeah. I am basically heating the hypochlorite in the coronal third of the canal. In my initial phase, बाद में जब पूरी prep हो जाएगी, मैं almost middle third तक, I'll be taking this heater. This heater has different sizes. अलग-अलग canals की preparation के हिसाब से अलग-अलग sizes का आता है. After you have done the intracanal heating for about 5 seconds, then you take the ultrasonic tip which I just showed you, and then you activate. Which means I am not only doing ultrasonic activation, I am first intracanal heating my hypochlorite for 5 seconds, and then I am using an ultrasonic tip. Together, it's an Indian study which is published in the Journal of Endodontics. It has the highest efficacy when it comes to removal of the smear layer and the biological destruction of the biofilm. So it's not wrong to not heat. It's just that heating is slightly better when you start looking at the data coming out for removal of smear layer. हटेगी दोनों में. Heat करने से और better हटेगी. That's the only difference.
So these days we are even using continuous gelation, irrigation. So do we?
You and I need to have a conversation after this is over. I need to know who this lady is. It was a very nice spirited discussion that we were able to come out. Young students asking questions about the microscope. It was very endearing to see that. 14, 15 times. I've lectured in Bangladesh 15 times. I love the people there. They've given me so much love. But they're a very shy group of people. Right? They are very friendly. They will talk to you, one on break my heart. And then the video starts. It actually happened. National conference. I'm lecturing and I switch on the camera and I said, are you guys ready? And I go like 1, 2, 3 and 2. You know what?
And also from Bangladesh.
Let's not do Bangladesh.
He's also
We're from Bangladesh. I love the country. I absolutely love the place. 14, 15 times I've been there. The crowds have been massive and they've asked such relevant questions. And I mean, 15 times in one country is insane. I asked them, the last time they called me, I said, are you sure you want me? The bore nahi ho gaya sun ke mere ko. 5 years, 14, 15 times. Crazy. 3, 4 events every time. Okay, is everyone ready? Yes. Have you decided what you guys will be doing? Yes. Like, have you made up your mind? Yes. So much. Thank you so much.
Or daring enough to try full pulpectomy in one and leave the other canal. So one of the hot question was, how did you manage to separate the two canals while you were doing it? Wasn't there a chance of infection spreading from one to the other?
The first criteria for those kind of cases, the roots have to be separate, so you need a CBCT. A lot of times you have merging roots. For example, upper molars, sometimes the mesiobuccal merges with the palatal and it is one long oblong root. Sometimes in the lower molars, you have the mesiobuccal and the mesolingual canals in one dumbbell-shaped root.
We saw on Coffee with Karan or something, but now I think it's time that Dr. Agam Bhatnagar gives us some small gift to Dr. Jyoti as being a moderator.